Good blustery afternoon. I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe and warm. It is super windy and cold here. Today I'm going to cut this envelope right across here. I'm going to cut this off, and I'm going to use it as some kind of pocket here. And I think I will also, of course, make a little pretty tag to go in the window. It's going to have to go this way because it's too long. It's too wide for the page. So I'm thinking I'm going to cut this off just a little bit. So now it looks perfect. Except it is wider on this side, but we'll have to live with that. And I'm going to, I think I'll seal off this side and it'll be a side pocket. I think that's the best way to do it, to use this Dollar Tree stuff. Okay. So let's get this in here. I'm almost done with this book. And if you didn't see my, oh, no, that's not straight. I have to put another one on. My last video, I made 2 new videos. I'm going to use this one next. I love how that spine came out. There is a video showing how I did that. But I'm going to use this as soon as I'm done with this one. I only got a couple more pages. And I'll use this one until I can't use it anymore, until it's done. And then after that, I'll use this one, which also has the same pages as this one, but I liked them so much, I'm using the same pages in both books, so that's cool. Alright, let's see if I can get this off. And I'm gonna put another one a little bit closer to the edge, I think. No, it's already stuck down. Okay. I guess I could, it's probably fine. Maybe I'll just put a teensy bit of glue stick on there and do it that way. There, I think that's good. And then we'll have this as our pocket. I could have actually put something nicer on the back of that, but since it's going to have a little tag or something in it, it's probably not necessary. I was thinking about coloring this with my new alcohol markers that I got. I got these at Five Below, and I am wanting to see how they work. So I could use, this is the page it's going on. I could use purple and pink and even the green, but let's go with pink. Pink is my best bet. Well, not really my best bet, but my favorite color, and I think we'll use this pink. Alright, so let's color it and see what happens. It's got 2 sides. That's the skinny side. And this should be the wider side, so let's see how it looks. Looking okay. I think I do need to put a paper underneath. let's get a paper underneath there, and I can see there was lines to begin with, but there isn't now, so that's neat. I think I was using Mystic Glue on, so I think I'll use this to color on. I gotta get some more new gluing pages, and I need to move up just a little bit there. I bet you I'm doing the wrong side again. Okay, let's do this. I don't want to get it on the... I can see where the pattern from underneath is showing through. I wonder if that's going to happen everywhere. Let's find out. Yeah. Huh. It's okay. Maybe I should just put washi tape on it. It's only happening right across here. All in all, though, I think it's really nice to use. I'm not seeing any lines, like overlapping lines or anything. Even when you can see them initially, but then they disappear. Almost like watercolors. Okay, so how's that look?
I think that looks okay. And yeah, we have that. So I think we're doing okay. I'm not going to worry about that. I'm not going to worry about this blue showing through. That's okay. I wonder if I put more on it, if it would cover it over better. No, not really. Okay. We won't try to do that then. Okay. So, next thing I want to do is put this down on here. And then I probably will cover this with something. Maybe some flowers. I don't know. I don't know. Now I'm having second thoughts on whether I care about that blue showing through or not. Let's put this down. I'm wondering if this is going to be strong enough to hold it. Let's see. I want to get as close to the edge as possible. I don't use junk like this as much as I really want to. I need to watch some videos to get some ideas. How are you guys doing? Maybe a little more tape. Or maybe actually I'll also put some glue on it. Okay, whoops, that's not down. Ugh. Come on. You can do it. Yeah. We spent the weekend with our daughter Bethany, and we had a good time, but we were pretty much snowed in for the one whole day. And the next day we were able to go out places. Okay, oh, a little bit of glue. A little bit of this. So that's why I went to Five Below, because she wanted to go. And I got the markers there. Probably not straight, but we'll survive. I feel good using some junk. Oh, flowers. Let's see how the flowers will look. This paper pad that I've used for this book, and the other book, has some cut-aparts. Maybe I could put one in here, although it might look odd. If I put flowers all up and down one side, I don't know. I think that might look weird. I think I'm just going to leave it. I think it will look best if I just leave it alone. All right, let's look at those cut-aparts. This is what I'm looking at. My puppy is laying in the sun. He's so cute. All right, these might not be long enough, though. This one might be. Yeah, I don't think they're long enough. There's one more page of them somewhere back here. Oh, I thought there was another page. Here we go. These look a little longer, so I'm going to take this out. And, oh yeah, these would fit perfectly. I kind of do like this one. This one's pretty too, but it's kind of the same color. Let's go with this one. Oh, the flowers won't even show. Let's just cut some and see what we like. That still needs a little more of a smidge, I think. Yeah, it's a little bit too hard to get in. All right, put the top off. A little smidgy. Do you have plans for gardening in the summer? Usually my husband does that, and we'll have to cut off a smidge from the sides. Do you see that? But that would work. I don't particularly like that one in there, though. This one. Maybe this one. You are so lovely. And then I could put a photo of somebody on the back. So I'm going to cut off a little bit all around, and we'll fit that in there. I might probably round off the edges. I have a feeling I need to cut off more of this on the sides. But we'll see. We'll see. A little off the top and a little off the bottom. I want to make sure I'm covering a whole window on the inside, you know? Okay. Let's see if it works before I put the cutter away. Is it the right size? Oh, yeah. Oh, that's perfect. You can't see all the writing, but I think that's good. I'm also going to put a tab on it because I'm not going to be able to get it out if I don't. And this will be ripped. I should have strengthened this. But I think with the tab on it, it should be fine. All right, let's do that. Round my edges, around my corners. You know what I did? I bought a new corner rounder and some dog treats from Amazon, and I mailed them to my son in New Jersey instead of my address. Because I just sent their son a birthday present, and I sent them a Valentine present to that address, and I forgot to change the address back. I'm not sure if this will work. I think it will. Okay, so here's my tab. I think I'm going to ink around this in pink, around the edges. Yeah, that's cute. Sometimes I make more complicated tags, and I can show you one that I just recently made, if I can find it in here. But I can link to the video, because I did also tape that one. Here it is. Here's the tag. I made a patchwork tag, and on the back I do have a picture of my daughter. So, yeah, that's a more complicated one. Now we need to just put a tab here. I've got some pre-made tabs. I do have pink, and I have red. I'll use the red, actually. Be a little unpredictable. Pink would have been predictable for me. Okay, I'm gonna take my little Fabri-Tac glue. I still feel like I could decorate this more, and I see where maybe I did. There are some marks of overlapping there. So I'm gluing that little part of the tab down, and I'm gonna put it on this side. Or, yeah, good thing I almost didn't check to see if I was putting it on the right side. And now I'm going to take the other one and just put it on this side. So just a little bit glue down here. I have a tab punch, and I know there's a trick to cutting it so you could just fold it over, but gotta get that on straight. I never remember to do it. I'll have to try doing it. Okay, so that's gonna go in there like that. I'm gonna let the tab glue dry a little bit though, and then I'll push that back in. And I feel like I need to go over this a little bit more. Where's my little marker? This side. Don't know if it will make it look any better. Oh, maybe because I was going in different directions? I don't know. Anyway, I still feel like I need to decorate that. Maybe some stickers would be nice.
Got these dots that I haven't used in ages. So I was thinking, why don't I just put a bunch of dots here? I was hoping that they were in a string of dots, but they're not. So I'm not going to be able to put them on perfectly, I'm sure. Let's put a green one on. Anyway, I think it'll be cute. I could put them on all the way around. Anyway, I'm not going to bore you watching me put all these dots on, and I will come back when I'm done. There we have a super simple layout. I did put a line of dots, which I think looks okay. I didn't want to put it all the way around because they're not going to fit on this side. But anyways, that's a super simple layout you can use with your cut-aparts and an old envelope. I don't think I've ever gotten an envelope with such a large window in it before, so that's kind of neat. But thanks so much for watching. If you have not already checked out my Ko-fi page, there are some free vintage like printables that you can print out. And thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.